Hey guys, today we're making these delicious choc chip cookies. They're so yummy and super gooey and soft in the middle. It's the perfect recipe for a yummy treat for any time. It's so yummy and just super delicious. As always, the full recipe will be in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Also, give this video a giant thumbs up if you enjoy. Okay, so we're going to start off by adding the softened butter to a bowl, and then you're going to add in your dark brown sugar, and you can get this at any grocery store. And for this recipe, you are going to weigh out your ingredients to get a precise measurement. And then you're going to add in your white sugar. Next, you're going to add in your light brown sugar. And again, we're going to weigh this out. Once that's all in your bowl, then you're going to set the scale off to the side, and then you're going to beat this with your electric mixer until it's light and pale and fluffy. It will take a few minutes, and it should reach this texture. Next, you're going to crack in your egg, and then add in your vanilla essence, and then just mix this with your electric mixer until it's well combined. Once it's combined, then you can stop mixing, and then just scrape down the sides of your bowl just to ensure that everything is well incorporated. And then give that one last mix. Once that's well mixed in, then you're going to add in your flour, your baking soda, and your baking powder, and then just mix all of this with your electric mixer for a few minutes until it's slightly mixed in. In this way, it's easier to make a dough. Once it's mixed in like this and almost fully mixed in, then you can stop beating and then just mix this with your spatula to form a soft dough. Once that's done, then you can add in your chopped chocolate and then just mix that all together. And of course, you can add in more chocolate if you like. Once that's all mixed in, then you can set that to the side, and to your baking tray, you're going to add in a piece of baking paper just so that it doesn't stick, and then scoop out some dough with a small cookie scooper or ice cream scoop, and then just place that onto your baking tray and repeat with all your cookie dough. Make sure you leave some space as they will spread when they bake. Also, if you don't want to eat all of them right away, then you can scoop them and then freeze them and bake at a later stage. If you want to add in more chocolate, then you can. For the frozen cookie dough, you can just place it all into a Ziploc bag and freeze it. For the fresh cookies, you're going to bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for about 5 to 7 minutes to ensure that they're nice and gooey and soft in the middle. If you want it more crispy, then you can bake it. And just look at how yummy they look. They're super soft and delicious. For the frozen dough, when you want to bake it, then just place it onto a piece of baking paper and then bake for a little longer. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make these delicious, yummy cookies. I'm sure they won't let you down. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a giant thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos every Sunday. I'll see you in my next video.